Okay, we're back. Third coat is washed and dried. We're just going to wipe it down quick with the steel wool. And again, this is just to kind of buff it. Helps even everything out. You don't have to do it, but it'll look a lot better if you do. And again, this is triple or quadruple aught steel wool. And already, I mean, this is looking like a gun barrel at this point. Still not as dark as what you're going to get from the factory, but pretty darn good. Get our perma blue back on here again. Alright, that's probably pretty good. And every coat is just going to kind of darken this up a little bit. And you can use a bunch of different things, cotton balls, a brush, you can use a foam brush, you can use a sponge. I don't think it really matters what you use as long as you're getting a nice generous dose of it on here. Sorry. Bringing you off camera again. But yeah, just gonna wipe everything down. Then we're gonna set a timer. Let it sit for a minute again. That's coat number 3, and like I said, it's already coming together pretty well. So I'll bring you back once I have it washed and dried one more time.